Internet Court. The Internet Court refers to a court where the acceptance, delivery, mediation, evidence exchange, pre-trial preparation, trial, and judgment of a case should generally be completed on the Internet, with the basic principle of being fully online. This is an important measure for the judiciary to actively adapt to the trend of Internet development. The establishment of Internet courts in Beijing and Guangzhou is an important measure for the judiciary to actively adapt to the trend of Internet development. On the basis of summarizing and promoting pilot experiences such as the Hangzhou Internet Court, we should respond to social judicial needs, scientifically determine the scope of jurisdiction, improve litigation rules, build a unified litigation platform, and promote the legalization of cyberspace governance. Centralize the jurisdiction of specific types of first-instance cases involving the Internet within the city's jurisdiction, explore the establishment of trial models that are suitable for the Internet era, and promote the full network of litigation processes such as prosecution, mediation, filing, trial, judgment, and execution. Innovate and comply with the procedural rules of Internet trials, and establish a standardized and intelligent trial mode for all types of cases. Adapt to the requirements of the information age, leverage the advantages of cross-regional trials, and facilitate the participation of parties in litigation. We should explore litigation rules for online cases, improve trial mechanisms, enhance trial efficiency, and provide judicial guarantees for maintaining network security, resolving disputes related to networks, and promoting deep integration of the Internet and the economy and society in accordance with the requirements of legality, orderliness, active stability, adherence to judicial laws, and meeting the needs of the masses. Jurisdiction. 1. Disputes arising from signing or fulfilling online shopping contracts through e-commerce platforms. 2. Network service contract disputes where both the signing and performance of the contract are completed on the Internet. 3. Financial loan contract disputes and small loan contract disputes where both the signing and performance actions are completed on the Internet. 4. Disputes over the ownership of copyright or neighboring rights in works published for the first time on the Internet. 5. Disputes arising from infringement of copyright or neighboring rights of works published or disseminated online on the Internet. 6. Internet domain name ownership, infringement, and contract disputes. 7. Disputes arising from infringement of civil rights and interests such as personal and property rights of others on the Internet. 8. Product liability disputes arising from product defects that infringe on the personal and property rights of others when purchased through e-commerce platforms. 9. Internet public interest litigation cases initiated by prosecutors. 10. Administrative disputes arising from administrative acts such as Internet Information Services Management, Internet commodity trading and related service management by administrative organs. 11. Other Internet civil and administrative cases designated by the Superior People's Court for jurisdiction. In order to regulate the litigation activities of Internet courts and protect the legitimate rights and interests of parties and other litigation participants, the 1747th meeting of the Judicial Committee of the Supreme People's Court reviewed and approved the provisions of the Supreme People's Court on several issues concerning the trial of cases by Internet courts, hereinafter referred to as the provisions, which was decided to come into effect on September 7, 2018. Significance. Firstly, achieve innovative development of the Internet trial system. From the pilot situation of the Hangzhou Internet Court, it can be seen that by centralizing the jurisdiction of Internet cases and improving the construction of supporting mechanisms, it is beneficial to improve the level of professional trials and standardize the development of the local Internet industry. Compared with Hangzhou, Beijing, and Guangzhou both have the highest Internet penetration rate and e-commerce transaction scale in the country. The Internet industry is more diverse, with a large number and types of new types of cases. By establishing Internet courts in Beijing and Guangzhou, it is beneficial to enrich Internet judicial practice, promote the creation of an Internet judicial trial system with unified platforms, smooth data flow, standardized and orderly, and convenient for the people, and achieve the modernization of the People's Court trial system and trial capacity. According to the additional plan, this time we have adopted the approach of removing one and establishing one, to establish an Internet court, which is to abolish the Beijing Railway Transport Court and the Guangzhou Railway Transport Second Court, and establish a separate Beijing Internet Court and Guangzhou Internet Court. This is an optimized allocation of judicial resources, facilitating the two newly established courts to focus on the main business of Internet trials. Secondly, strengthen the standardized governance of Internet spatial order. By conducting fair trials of more new types of Internet cases, it is beneficial to timely summarize and study new situations and issues in the development of the Internet industry, guide and regulate online behavior through fair judgments, strengthen the protection of virtual property, intellectual property, corporate trade secrets, and personal information of citizens, promote the construction of a cyberspace security guarantee system, and strengthen the comprehensive governance capacity of Cyberspace, promote the comprehensive improvement of important data resources and personal information security protection capabilities, and create a fair, honest, and user-assured network environment. Thirdly, promote China's experience in global governance of the Internet space. The establishment and improvement of Internet courts is a significant attempt for China to actively participate in global cyberspace governance and rulemaking. In recent years, the achievements of the People's Court in the construction of smart courts have been widely recognized by the international community. Establishment Region: Hangzhou City. On the morning of July 15, 2020, the Cross-Border Trade Court of the Hangzhou Internet Court was officially established. The Cross-Border Trade Court of the Hangzhou Internet Court, located in Xiaxia Park, China, Hangzhou, Cross-Border E-Commerce Comprehensive Pilot Zone, will focus on handling cross-border trade-related cases. After the unveiling, the first case of the Cross-Border Trade Court, namely the case where Singaporean users sued a certain online shopping platform for network service contract disputes, immediately began online trial. The Hangzhou Cross-Border Digital Trade Judicial Platform was also launched simultaneously on the 15th. This platform relies on blockchain technology and is jointly established by the Hangzhou Internet Court, Hangzhou Customs, Hangzhou Taxation Bureau, and other departments to achieve full process recording of information such as customs declaration, tax payment, and payment. It provides strong guarantees for building a fair and transparent international business environment and promoting the healthy development of cross-border digital trade. On August 18, 2017, the first Internet Court in China, the Hangzhou Internet Court, was officially established. The court is positioned to use the Internet to hear Internet cases, with centralized jurisdiction over Internet-related cases that grassroots people's courts within the jurisdiction of Hangzhou City. The parties can complete the litigation without leaving their homes through the Internet. Beijing. The Beijing Internet Court has centralized jurisdiction over cases such as disputes over Internet shopping contracts and Internet copyright ownership. Log into the Beijing Internet Court electronic litigation platform and file lawsuits online without leaving your home. In addition, with the establishment of the Beijing Internet Court, the Beijing Railway Transport Court was also revoked. Guangzhou City. The Guangzhou Internet Court was officially established on September 28, 2018. This is the third Internet Court established in China after the Internet Courts in Hangzhou and Beijing. The Guangzhou Internet Court is established in accordance with the grassroots people's courts in the urban areas of Guangzhou, responsible to the Standing Committee of the Guangzhou Municipal People's Congress, and subject to the supervision and guidance of the Guangzhou Intermediate People's Court. On September 28, 2021, the Guangzhou Internet Court celebrated its third anniversary. This new type of court, located in the forefront of reform and opening up in the core city of the Guangdong Hong Kong Macau Greater Bay Area, was born with the genes of reform, shouldering the mission of promoting the modernization of the cyberspace governance system and governance capabilities, and safeguarding the implementation of the strategy of building a strong cyber power. The institute is located in the Guangzhou Artificial Intelligence and Digital Economy Experimental Zone, and is surrounded by dozens of internet industry leaders such as Tencent, Alibaba, Xiaomi, and iFlyTech, as well as over 200,000 high-end industry talents. The hospital has achieved a series of achievements and experiences through the support of the Judicial Science and Technology Innovation Laboratory. Actively promoting the integration and development of new generation information and communication, big data, artificial intelligence, and online litigation, achieving a transformation from traditional justice to smart justice. Continuously optimizing the construction of one core, multiple platforms, and one-stop litigation service center, with over 12 million visits to the Smart Trial platform, an online filing rate of 99.93%, and an online trial rate of 99.82%. Launched the first 5G virtual YUE court in the country, enabling judges and people's assessors from different locations to hold simultaneous online sessions on the same frame. During the special period of epidemic prevention and control, we ensured that judicial trial activities were uninterrupted and assisted more than 20 courts in the Guangdong Hong Kong Macau Greater Bay Area in completing the integrated deployment of intelligent litigation systems. 18 judicial convenience facilities, e-legal pavilions, are set up at the doorstep of Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau, providing accessible judicial services for the people. Build a smart credit ecosystem called Netcom Legal Chain to solve the problem of electronic data authentication, with over 202 million certificates stored. Develop a ZHI system for the full element trial of copyright disputes, achieving blockchain rights confirmation and evidence storage, intelligent comparison of infringement, and intelligent generation of documents with a completeness of 95%. The first, eChain Cloud Mirror, Intelligent Execution Analysis System has covered 6,979 cases, accurately portraying 5,603 executed individuals in total, making it impossible for dishonest executed individuals to hide. Relying on 5G intelligent short message technology, we will build a mobile intelligent execution and case handling system called EQGDA. The parties involved only need a mobile phone to communicate and exchange with the executing judge anytime and anywhere, and conduct business processes such as video interviews, uploading evidence, and receiving documents. As of July 13, 2021, intelligent application achievements, including the ZHI system and eChain Cloud Mirror, Intelligent Execution Analysis System, have been awarded 5 national patents and copyright registration certificates for the full element trial of online copyright disputes.